Hello again, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and we've got another pair of earbuds from Skullcandy, and these are the Method Wireless Skullcandy Sport. So this is what we are looking at here, and on the back it will tell us we have a dual lock fit, sweat resistant, up to 9 hours battery life. We've got a Flexi Sport colour, built-in mic, call track and volume control, and pretty much what you'd expect from a set of headphones. And this is what the package looks like here. So let's check it out. So we have to open it from here, and then we'll just cut that off with our unboxing knife. And pop them out, and this is what we get. Nothing left inside the box. So straight away you can see we've got these coloured buds which look pretty nice indeed, and come away from the typical norm that we get, which are normally black or grey. So I like this straight off the bat. We can see some booklets and so on, so we will take off the rest of the packaging. Like so, and there is two of the buds there, and the colour is pretty nice indeed. And we also get the usual booklets nobody actually reads. So in here we get our micro USB charging cable, and that's it. And we do have the Skullcandy logo present on that as well. So these are pretty cool indeed. So down here we have got our charging port here. As you can see, there is the indicator for it there. We have our buttons here for tracks and so on, skipping and pausing, etc. And we can see the Skullcandy logo there, and you can see that these buttons have slightly raised markers on them there, so you'll be able to find them pretty handy blindly. We have the Skullcandy logo here as well in black, and they are kind of a soft rubbery material and a hard plastic material, but they feel pretty comfortable anyway, and looks pretty cool with this design here. And as you can see, you just release the wire like so, and that's how you'll have them on. So you can rest them around your neck, if you'd imagine, like that, and they'd be sitting down there, and you'd probably feel that this wasn't here after a few minutes use. And they look pretty nice indeed, non-magnetized down here. But as you can see, we have the Skullcandy logo and so on there, and we appear to have some LED lights there, and they look pretty nice indeed. And we just pop one of these off and see what this looks like here, and that's really about it. Let me just pop this back on. So the colours are nice as well. I like these multicoloured buds, and we of course again will have our full review in a week or two, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll talk to you in the next one. And thanks for watching. And that's the Skullcandy Sport Method Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. We'll talk to you soon.